Ikulbangan ko. Balingot na good ko.
This day I love you. This day I love you.
Dili ko eh. Dili ka nang... Siya man nga nagpakitid, ano yung sa high sir. Hindi man ako siya kabagon kay. Dili man siya ideal type na po.
Ikalit lang sa si yung pilya na ako, doon na kay Rayton mo na. Mo to si Janice ang dito. Ano na retire lang niya din. Mo action na ikaw ning kuan na to, video call kita awag din ba, inara ka confident ba?
Mo to, wala na ako siya tagged up na ako mining months din. Pag, chata na ako siya kung boring ako life. Hindi na ako siya type, number 1, para may kamangulan. Number 2, nasa tattoo. Number 3, yung height. The number 4, nagimot ko. You are my partner, my anchor, my greatest adventure, and my home. Whatever we face, I will always choose you, today and every day, because you are my destiny.
Oh, but there's no need.
4 years ago, we met for the first time, not with any intention to date, but simply to visit a friend who was confined in the hospital. We even did a little window shopping for appliances. I can still remember almost vividly every little thing we did that day inside the mall.
Si Janice Manggod, dili siya clingy. Di siya kanang kung touch mo, sweet dili kay siya nana perminti. Karang usahay nga minana siya nako sus mura sigug makuan ay kanang murag kiligon bugo ba.
Life took us on a different journeys. You sailed the seas and I stayed in my classroom. At first, I chatted with you just to pass time with no feelings involved. But when your messages stopped coming because of poor signal on board, I caught myself waiting and missing you more than I expected. That's when I realized I was slowly falling in love with you.
In this sacrament, the sacrament of matrimony, you are seeking God's grace. You are seeking God's strength. Human love, it's full of imperfection. Human love is based on conditions. Mauna nga naata din ni kay atong yapon ang Ginoo, kay ang Ginoo mao'y mohatag sa perfect na love na atong huwag atong gipangita.
Kung i-describe na ko si Marlon into 3 words, si Marlon kay nahigugmaon, mapinanggaon, ug labaw sa tanan ug gihanluto.
I thank you.
Nangakon mi karon kanyapon, nauna na siya kung say ang ipamahaw.
Congratulations, and then you're very beautiful today, and stay your prettiness best wishes niya. Happy kay tanan ko para nimo kay murag according to plan gyud ang tanan. Congratulations.
Ito, congrats kayo ninyo gani Pangganes. So, naot nga inyong baon sa tanda mo. Sugod karon nabuk na gid kayo kag tugot di na kay kagalaglag.
And remember that love is not only based on emotions and feelings. Do not trust with your feelings and emotions, but remain in the commitment you made today. You commit yourselves to live together, to love one another, and to stay forever.
This day, I thank God for bringing you into my life. It's a little funny because I once prayed for an engineer, and God gave me you. I guess I wasn't specific with Him about what kind of engineer I wanted. He may not be a civil engineer, and not technically an engineer on board, but in my heart, He will always be my licensed marine engineer.
So therefore, my dear brothers and sisters, we are here asking the Lord His grace and blessing in order to make this marriage, the Marlon and Janice, become pleasing to God. And you will become also a blessing, not only to your family, but a blessing to the community.
Kasi, so, makita ka nga video. Kuan, iba mo ka, di ko ginanong kuan. Promise, ano ba? Pero buhato na ko tanan listing punpon. Ampingan gid tiga. Paggaon kita hantod sa makaya na. Unta makaya ra natong pagsulay nga moagi pa sa tong kaminyon po. Giyahan na ta, ubanan. I-bless pa ta unta ni Lord. So unta, kamatayon lagi pabuwag na tong duha. Love you, Riste. Mama. Nanorang sarang pa Diyos.